Welcome to CIA Board Responsibilities 101. Please welcome CIA President Jacqueline Friedland.
Hi, I want to offer each of you the warmest congratulations on your recent election. I'm very much looking forward to working with you over the course of the next 2 years. In your first year with the board, I expect that you'll do a lot of learning. The systems and norms of the CIA board take some time to absorb, although I don't want that to limit your participation in any way. It's important to recognize that issues facing the Institute can change on a dime, and our structure is constantly being adapted to meet our complex needs. I hope you enjoy the experience, that you contribute actively to our discussions, and that you're never afraid to ask questions. To help you prepare for your journey, we've created a CIA Board Welcome Series. Each week leading up to the orientation, you are going to receive a short video explaining a different aspect of the CIA, including for week 1, Board 101, the responsibilities of board members. The next 3 weeks are about the CIA structure. Week 2 will be about volunteer groups. Week 3 about the head office, and week 4 about profession oversight. On the 5th week, you'll learn about successful meetings, the rules of order, the processes, and the tools we use to conduct our business. The intent is that by covering these topics ahead of the orientation session in September, we will be able to spend more time on discussing our strategic plan, the current issues that face the CIA, and responding to your questions. If you need any technical support or have feedback regarding these sessions, please contact Sue Alcott, Manager, People and Volunteer Services. I hope you find this welcome series and the orientation session helpful, and I look forward to seeing you at the September board meeting.
The purpose of this video is to highlight the responsibilities of board members and build a foundation for your success. So what are the responsibilities of the board? The first is to determine the CIA's mission and purpose. Each board member should fully understand and support the mission of the Institute, which is, as the trusted bilingual voice of the Canadian actuarial profession, we advance actuarial science and its application for the well-being of society. The board supports and oversees the executive director, who manages the head office and the operation of the councils, committees, and other volunteer groups. The board participates with management in the overall strategic planning process. The board approves the plan, monitors progress, and oversees its implementation. It also oversees business plans and priorities. The board ensures that adequate resources are available to fulfill the mission. The board approves bylaw amendments and policies. The board remains accountable to CIA members and the public. It assists in developing the annual budget, ensuring that proper financial controls are in place, and approves the annual budget. The board oversees the organization's work, allocation of responsibilities, development of programs, and the capacity to carry out its programs. The board influences councils and approves some elements of operations, including appointments, education syllabus, and some public positions. The board is accountable to our members and to the public. It oversees the public relations strategy. The board is responsible for ensuring adherence to the CIA bylaws, legal standards, and ethical norms. This includes assuring compliance with local, provincial, and federal laws and regulations. The board orients board members and self-evaluates their performance. Collaboration is an important responsibility for all board members. A few tips for effective collaboration include: read meeting materials in advance. Come to meetings with an openness to hear from your peers. Recognize there may be differences of opinion, and that's okay. Offer to get involved with board task forces or other interesting opportunities that arise. Contribute to well-rounded discussion by sharing your thoughts and expertise. Have fun, enjoy, and make the most out of this opportunity. Thanks for joining us to learn more about the responsibilities of CIA board members. We look forward to seeing you next week when we discuss the CIA structure as it pertains to volunteer groups.